Now, Lannaman's Prep and Saints Peter and Paul will contest the final of the JISA Canopy Henriques Knockout Cup following their semi-final wins on Wednesday at St. Peter and Paul ground. Lannaman's with goals from Deveron Dixon in the 63rd and Javier Stewart in the 67th were responsible for their 2-0 win over Hillel Academy.
Well, I believe it was a good game. First and foremost, we are very happy, elated for the game. I mean, you have to give Hillel credit. I mean, they really held us in the game, took us the extra time. I mean, it really took some fight from the youngsters to really get the win.
Saints Peter and Paul got the better of Liberty Academy 1-0 to book their place in the decider. Jordan Burke got the job done in the 7th minute. Liberty ended with 10 players as Shaquane Wright saw red in the 57th minute.
Instruct the boys, and the boys implement the instruction, and I'm so happy and so proud. You know what I mean? It was a tough team because this team didn't last a game, you know what I mean? So going up against a tough team, but you know what I mean? Going out there and playing to instruction, the boys, I think they did very well.